Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Patricia Febriola Sitorus. I'm from Regular 1 Intonation and Pronunciation class. Here I will discuss two topics. The first is about consonant symbol, working linking, and intonation in WH and yes or no questions. And the second topic is about the sounds S, Z, and is, two syllables nouns and strong weak form of auxiliary verb. Now I will start discuss the first topic, namely is consonant symbols. Consonant symbols are letters used to represent consonant phonemes, namely B, C, D, F, and others. This type of letter is also known as capital letters. Here's an example of a word the consonancy is but the letters are pronounced differently in each word, such as communicate, face, and ancient. And the following are examples of bad words that sound the same but are spelled differently for each word, such as communicate, technology, and speaking. Linking words. Linking words are words that are very useful in communication using English. Linking words act more as a link between two topics. Sentence connected by linking words will still be independent sentence and nothing will become dependent. Linking words function to provide additional information, state the opposite, and describe it with conjunctions of words. In linking words, not sentence may be subtract. For example, is 1. Turn off the television before you leave the house. Afterward, don't forget to plug off the television cable. W question is a question word that begins with WH words which function to ask about some information, in which the interlocutor must give a clear answer. For example, A. Where's the shoes? B. Answer, it's in the class next to the teacher's room. Meanwhile, a yes or no question is a type of question that only requires a yes or no questions. For example, for 1, do you have an identity card? The answer to this question is definitely yes or no. Now, let's move on to discussing the second topics, namely sounds S, Z, and is. Pronunciation is very important when we try to communicate, and correct pronunciation can be simple words difficult to understand. Here are examples of words from S, Z, and is. As gets, makes, hopes, puts, begs, talks, and others. Z. Tries, goes, does, plays, loves, and others. Is. Loses, washes, manages, teaches, misses, and others. Next, about two syllables nouns. A syllable is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as unit. So, for example, are read, write, book has one syllable, and reading, writing, walking has two syllables. And the last discussion is about strong weak forms of auxiliary verbs. One of the most striking features of the English pronunciation is related to the occurrence of the weak form. Some words have both the weak and strong pronunciations. The strong form usually occurs in a stressed word, but a weak form usually occurs when a word is not stressed. A weak form is distinguishably determined by the presence of the English schwa that is used to replace the regular vowel sounds of the strong form, or the absence of a certain sound, vowel, or consonant. For example, is one but. Strong form is but. Weak form is bad. Second, for strong form is for. Weak form is for. And third, and. Strong form is and. Weak form is and. Okay. Alright, that's brief explanation from me. In the end, I say thank you.